All right, so I believe let's begin because it's Sunday. Maybe people are busy. I'm not sure how it is. Right? So Nitu, I hope you have time. Hai? Sab good? बढ़िया चलो great. So because we are going to set goals today, we want to see the vision, maybe we want to dream how you want our life to be. I want you to raise your energy first. So for that, I'll put on the music and I want you to dance little bit, move your body and just have some energy in your body. है ना पारुल स्माइल कर रही है, but you'll see how happy and light you will feel when you do that. ठीक है करें? Yeah, okay. I want everyone to move, yaar. If you're not standing, at least just sitting.
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना। जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना,
Okay.
जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना। ओ, गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना। बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, झगड़े दुनिया झगड़ने भी दो, लड़े जो दुनिया लड़ने भी दो। तुम अपनी धुन में गाओ, दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो, बंधन टूटे टूटने दो, कोई छूटे छूटने दो। ना घबराओ, हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना,
Feel it.
हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना।
Come on. क्या हो गया यार?
I
Stand
have
up
some
and down.
problem with setting today. I don't know.
में है बिजलियां, सांसों में तूफान है, डर क्या है और हार क्या, हम इससे अनजान हैं। हमारे लिए ही तो है आसमान और जमीन, सितारे भी हम तोड़ लेंगे, हमें है यकीन। अंबर से है आगे हमारा ठिकाना, हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना।
Great, awesome. चलो कोई नहीं. But did you feel some energy shift? अच्छा लग रहा है? Great. Why I wanted this? Because I don't want कि हम अपने goals, vision लिखें और उसमें कोई doubt रखें. I want it is possible. Whatever you write, you say, everything is possible because God has given just one life which we remember. Soul journey is eternal, but we don't remember. We only remember this life, है ना? तो जो भी आपके दिमाग में जब भी कुछ आता है ना, why God is giving you that thought in your mind? Because He knows somewhere that you deserve this and you are capable to achieve that. है ना? So put it in your mind. सबके दिमाग में सेम आइडियाज नहीं आते हैं, सबके दिमाग में डिफरेंट आइडियाज आते हैं, सबके दिमाग में डिफरेंट गोल्स होते हैं, है ना? सो वाई दे ओनली हैव इट बिकॉज समवेयर गॉड ट्रस्ट यू दैट यू कैन डू इट, बट यू आर समवेयर नॉट ट्रस्टिंग योर सेल्फ, राइट? सो अब कभी भी कुछ दिमाग में आता ना, तो बिफोर यू सेइंग कि तुझसे नहीं होगा, टेल योर सेल्फ इट इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज यू गॉट दिस ड्रीम इन योर लाइफ, सो इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर यू, है ना? सो गोल सेटिंग होता क्या है पहले हम ये समझते हैं. तो इवन manifestation says that when you ask you receive, but you can only ask when you have the clarity. जब हम गोल सेट करेंगे तभी हमें क्लियर पिक्चर मिलता है कि हमें चाहिए क्या. वी आर लिविंग द डे एज इट कम्स. फिर हमें लगता है कि हमारा लाइफ चेंज क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. द थिंग इज वी डोंट हैव द क्लैरिटी दैट व्हाट वी वांट, सो हाउ लाइफ विल चेंज. God is there to give you everything that you want, but we only don't know what we want. So there is a confusion. So goal setting helps you to get the clarity of where you want to go. एंड इट इज साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन कि जब आप गोल सेट करते हो ना तो मोर लाइकली यू अचीव देम. बट स्टिल इवन आफ्टर नोइंग दिस ओनली एंड ओनली 3% पीपल सेट गोल्स इन देयर लाइफ्स एंड ओनली 1% पीपल बेसिकली राइट देयर गोल्स. ठीक है. सो अगर आपने कभी लाइफ में लिखा है कभी गोल कहीं पे भी ना, दैट मीन्स यू आर इन 1%. सो हैव यू एवर सेट गोल्स? पहले मुझे ये बताओ पारुल, हैव यू एवर रिटन गोल्स और सेट गोल्स फॉर योरसेल्फ? निधु? नो?
No.
नहीं पारुल, नहीं कभी भी नहीं लिखा गोल्स. awesome. सो हमारी लाइफ कैसे चेंज होगा जब हम लिखेंगे ही नहीं, पता है? बिकॉज सी माइंड हैज ऑलमोस्ट RAS, जो हमारा रेक्टिकुलर ब्रेन है ना, विच इज रेक्टिकुलर एक्टिवेटिंग सिस्टम. It has more than 70,000 thoughts every single day. More than 70 to 72,000 thoughts that comes in our mind, है ना? सो अगर हमारा गोल सेट होता है ना तो जो बाकी के डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हमारा माइंड हटा देता है एंड फोकस करता है गोल पे. बट बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव आवर गोल सेट, देन वी कीप गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड इनटू ओवरथिंकिंग लूप. So setting goals give you clear direction to go where you want to go. So it is very important to set goals for the day, for the month, for the year, and आगे. ठीक है. So goal setting is not a motivation. Goal setting is a path, a clarity which helps you to stay motivated. In fact, कि यहाँ पहुंचना है, ये सिस्टम आपने सेट किया है गोल सेट करने के बाद टू अचीव दोज गोल्स फॉर यू, है ना? तो हम ना यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, फॉर एंड हाउ आई वॉन्ट टू सेट गोल्स इज लाइक, फर्स्ट सी द फार, मतलब सी द अल्टीमेट गोल वेर यू वॉन्ट टू गो, है ना? एंड देन कम बैकवर्ड. हाई प्राप्ति, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
हाँ, सो प्राप्ति थोड़ा बहुत जानती है गोल सेटिंग के बारे में. बिजी? बिकॉज आई
Yes,
विल
ma'am. I'm on the.
राइट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स.
I'm on the way.
सो प्राप्ति, मैं आपको या तो रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दूंगी बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ राइटिंग थिंग्स आर देयर. यू वांट टू लिसन, आप सुन लो, बट लिखने का काम आप बाद में कर लेना या तो. ठीक है.
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
So how I want you to do this setting of goals is like you look further, you look very far first where you want to reach, and then we come step back. How? जैसे कि आप गाड़ी चलाते हो, सबसे पहले अपना GPS खोलते हो और देखते हो कि आपको पहुंचना कहाँ है, डेस्टिनेशन सेट करते हो, फिर आप अपनी गाड़ी को ड्राइव करते हो, राइट? सो हियर दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. फर्स्ट आई वांट टू you to vision your life. For example, I want you to, now I will just play some music and I want you to write कि आप जब 100, मतलब आई डोंट वांट यू कि आप जब डाई करो और आप सोचो कि लोग आपके बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं, बट आई रियली वांट यू टू थिंक ऑफ मे बी यू आर 90 years old and what exactly you want your people, your family, your friends, what legacy do you want to leave behind. So this is vision. Vision is something, a dream, है ना? जरूरी नहीं अभी ये नहीं सोचना होगा नहीं होगा क्या नहीं होगा, बट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू वांट पीपल टू सी यू एज, what you want people to talk about, what legacy you want to leave behind when you know go from this world, or maybe on your 90th birthday people are talking. So what exactly you want them to say about you, कि पारुल क्या है, कौन है, क्या है, तो क्या देखते हो अपने आप को, कैसे देखते हो. It may take some time but think that far and just write down for take 2-3 minutes. हो सकता है आपको लाइन नहीं मिले because you're doing it for the first time, but just see where you are, what do you want, कि आपका बच्चा क्या कह रहा है आपके बारे में. Do you want them to remember you? Do you want to leave any legacy behind when you are not there, or when you are there, in fact 90th birthday पे आप हो, or what is happening? So I want you to write it down. I'll just play some music. Just write. Be very simple. जो भी लगता है आपको, dream it. Make it, big for you. Yeah, just do that. Just play some music for this. It can be, what is that one word you want people to remember you, that defines you? And you can think of every area, maybe your health, your relationship, career, money, charity, what contribution you want to make, what charity you want to do by that time. Anything that comes in your mind, just write it down. What you want your children to talk about you, what you want your family to talk about you, the entire nation to talk about you. Maybe you want to impact the world, and maybe they are talking about you. How have you impacted so many people with your service, maybe with your product? So kya hai ye? What is it? How maybe you want to known as beauty with brain, or maybe you want to known as something that you want to be known as. Once you're done, maybe you can just put in the message that you're done, जो भी आता है. Then everyone, whatever, shall we move forward? Great. So how was it? How was the experience? In one word, you can just put it in the chat box. How was it? Difficult? Or you could write something, or maybe you felt कि हाँ, there is something today I, thought of after 90, मतलब when I was 90, what it would be like. So felt good about it, or whatever it is. Yeah, just reflect. Fine. So if you ask me, like I really want to impact and leave my legacy, my courses behind, which can help people to grow in life, that ways. So whatever it comes to you, your family to talk about how, how learned she was, and how she was always looking forward to grow in life and help others to grow in life. So that ways. Yeah, difficult to imagine. It will, because it's the first time that we are doing. So, it is just because only when we put it, when I see my old books, because I started writing goals quite a time, back. So when you see your books, when you go back, no, आपको ऐसे दिखेगा कि everything is coming true for you in this life. So it just first you have to know where you want to, and then you feel कि अरे सब कुछ होता है when you think, really think from your heart. So now what I want you again to vision. I don't want very long now to go. I only want you to vision again. Vision means dream again, है ना? Vision है. It's not really reality. It is something that helps you to just see, dream again big. और खुद देख के भी कभी कभी you can just keep laughing at your own dreams कि अच्छे मैं ये सब लिख रही हूँ, ये होगा भी क्या नहीं. Doesn't matter. But I really want you to think now from here to 3 years down the line. कि what exactly you want in different areas of your life. So we'll start with finance. So we'll start with finance area कि 3 years down the line, maybe you want to, have this much money in your account, or maybe you will be earning 5 lakhs per month, or maybe, you want to have properties on your name. So what does your bank balance look like? Maybe what are there any debts, like you have any loan or you want to just pay that loan off, or maybe are there any specific purchases that you want to make, or any investment that you want to do? How does your net worth look like after 3 years I'm talking about, and how much do you want to savings to be there in your account, down the 3 lines, है ना? अभी मत सोचो कि how you gonna do it. I don't want you to think of how right now. I just want you to see what you want कि 3 years down the line, what is happening in your area of your finance. Basically, what is it that is happening in the area of your finance? So just take some time, maybe a couple of minutes, and write that. Doesn't have to be a lot of things, because simply finance में क्या देख रहे हो आप? Hi Shelja, you can also write. Start from 3 years, and I'll share the recording, and then you can continue. डोंट गेट इनटू हाउ, है ना? हाउ नहीं सोचना है हमें अभी, सिर्फ ड्रीम देखना है. खुद भी हंस सकते हो अपने ड्रीम पे, बट जस्ट राइट. Done. Shall we move to the next area? So now we will move to next area, which can be just which can be your career. So what exactly you see doing, like what do you want to achieve or pursue? Maybe who would you be have built connection with? Maybe you want to be in some big company, or what connection you want to build with whom, what promotions you are looking for, what business do you want to start, or if you already have a business, where you want your business to reach and go. So what does it that you see yourself in your career? What exactly you want? अपना खुद का कुछ शुरू किया है आपने, ऐसा कुछ देख रहे हो, या कुछ बड़ी कंपनी you wanna join? Where you want to see your career in 3 years? Yeah, 3 years we have time. So 3 years is again dream. कि where you want to see yourself in your career, in your business, in your profession. Again, it's gonna be big 3 years. So take it that way and just keep writing. We'll take a couple of minutes. All right. Now we will move to happiness and learning, self love. So, there's certain things you want to do to feel good about yourself, so maybe I like, doing mandala. So maybe I want to learn mandala art, or maybe, I like dancing and dancing to, some like salsa and things like that. So it doesn't have to be again ki hoga ki nahi hoga, but something that you really want to learn which gives you happiness. Maybe travel, you want to do some trips that you are waiting for since long. So 3 saal ka vision hai ye. So just think of that place where you want to visit, some hobbies that you want to do which brings joy, some learning that you want to do. So in this area, where what you see in from now 3 years down the line. Amazing. Now we will move to service and contribution, charity. So, how I see that whatever money you make, you can take out 1%, or whatever money you receive, you can take out just whatever you feel like 1%, 2%, 5%, 10% as a charity, which you can keep it in a different jar to do service, contribution to society, or maybe help someone. So, where do you want to see yourself 3 years down the line? That how much you want that part to be. So just imagine if 1% is 10,000, your money will be, of course, 10, 100 times than that. So, where you want to see, what kind of contribution you want to do, what kind of service, charity that you want to do 3 years down the line. So, think there and write down that goal for you. All right, so next we will move to health goal, which is the most important goal, because without health, I don't think so any other area is gonna fulfill. So, where you want to see yourself in health? What fitness level do you want to envision? What fitness level? What supplements that, or health habits that you want to follow? How do you take care of your physical, your mental, and emotional health? I want to, you to see that. So, for example, maybe I want to do my headstand by down the 3 years, or maybe you want to do 10 laps of swimming in the swimming pool. So, what is it? Where you see yourself after 3 years doing in your health area? What strength you have? Maybe you want to run 5 kilometers. Whatever it is, how you want to build your stamina, where you see yourself in health area 3 years down the line. Just write that. Your fitness level, your supplements that you might be taking, your mental emotional health that you were doing, what you're doing in those places. ग्रेट. सो डिड यू ऑल राइट, है ना? कैसा लग रहा है आफ्टर राइटिंग? यू फीलिंग गुड कि हंसी आ रही है, कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है अनबिलीवेबल है कुछ, कि सब ठीक है? अनबिलीवेबल ड्रीम्स आई वांट यू टू राइट, यू नो, बिकॉज you're just visioning right now, you know, you're just seeing it, you're dreaming it, है ना? होगा कैसे होगा, that's the next step that we will do, कि how we can achieve and do those things. So now what I want, कि जब मैं भी लिखती थी तो obviously, you know, like something like your next milestone, 50 years, when I am 50 years I should be making 50 lakhs per month, or maybe I'm having 50 crores of properties in my name. So something which you also laugh at, but ठीक है, give some theme to it, कि ये है मेरा dream, you know. Maybe in your next milestone, जब आप 50 के होगे, और maybe next milestone आप whatever is your age, 5 साल डाउन द लाइन, 30 है तो 35 माइलस्टोन है, 35 है तो 40 है तो 45, और मे बी यू कैन टेक 10 years ऑल्सो. यू कैन डू दिस विथ यू एनी टाइम. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट, कि जो हमने विजन देखा है ना, लेट्स कन्वर्ट इट इनटू आवर गोल्स ऑफ 1 year. एज आई टोल्ड यू, वी गो फार एंड देन वी कम बैक, राइट? So now how can we move from vision to goal? So 3 years of vision shows direction. You got some direction कहाँ जाना है ना. 1 year goal are the first milestone. जब आप 1 year पे पहुंचोगे तभी 3 years में पहुंचेंगे. So we don't have to really try to do everything in 1 year, कि सब कुछ एक ही साल में नहीं करना. Usually what people do, they overestimate in 1 year and they underestimate when it's a longer term. तो अगर आप अभी किसी को goal set कराओगे ना, तो वो बोलेंगे कि I want to make 2 lakhs per month. Next, abhi, you know, so if you ask them what is your current salary, so none. So if it is 0, it has to be realistic to reach there, right? So what I want you to do, कि जो भी हम लिखेंगे ना, it has to be realistic, believable for you when it comes to 1 year. And how it works, compounding interest में ये 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 5 नहीं होता. When we grow in certain area, first year may be 1, but 1 + 1 2 होगा next year में, third year will be 2 + 2 4. So that's how you grow in your career or in any area when you start working. So it's a compound. So first year will be always slow. Second, third will be, you know, the faster rate of achieving that goal will be a little faster. So again in finance goal, 1 year of result goal. How are we going to do that? जैसे for example, मेरा 3 साल का गोल था कि मुझे एक डायमंड बैंगल खरीदना है. एग्जाम्पल, डायमंड बैंगल खरीदना है. So अब डायमंड बैंगल खरीदने के लिए what can I do in this first year? So maybe I can just have 3, you know, gold coins for this year. So 3 gold coins, 3 gold coins, 3 gold coins. Maybe I will be able to buy my diamond bangles on the 3rd year. Yeah. So similarly in finance, if you have a goal of, you know, having 50 lakhs, or you're already making money for that matter, so how much will you save in your savings account if you want? So how much will you save this year, next year? So something like that you have to fix now. Come to 1 year, choose only on every area. I just want you to choose only 1 to 2 goals, because 6 areas है. अगर आप 2 भी goal set करते हो तो you already have a 12 goals to achieve. So I don't want a lot of goal, but yes, couple of goals you can mention. जैसे 2 lakhs by December if you want to make, or you want to pay off some loan finance में, career goal में what it is. So 2 goal आप लिखोगे, keeping in mind 1 year only from now to achieve that 3 years vision that you had. है ना? सो कीप इन माइंड कि 3 साल में आपने क्या सोचा था फाइनेंस में, और इस साल उस 3 साल के विजन को पूरा करने के लिए मुझे इस साल में मैं कहाँ पहुंचनी चाहिए बाय एंड ऑफ दिसंबर 2026। सो फाइनेंस में जो भी आपने लिखा है, जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट एंड सी कि what is that couple of goals in finance that you will do, couple of goals in, we'll go one by one. So let's just write in finance right now. It has to be very specific, like how much money by when. So, you don't write something like 10,000 rupees by, 10% I want growth in my salary, because that 10% you will not know कि आप अभी कितने पे हो, कब तब कितने पे हो. It has to be very specific, clear and measurable. For example, क्लियर अमाउंट कि मुझे 2 lakhs rupees बाय 2000 दिसंबर 2026 आई शुड बी मेकिंग. सो इट इज, एक बच्चा 5 साल का भी पढ़ेगा तो उसको पता है कि ये गोल था और हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, समथिंग लाइक दैट, है ना? डोंट राइट कि 10% हाइक आई वॉन्ट इन माई सैलरी और 50% हाइक आई वॉन्ट, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो वट इज योर सैलरी. सो वेन यू सी देन it has to be completely clear picture कि this is it, this is what I want by December 2025, my salary, or my business to be making, or the net worth of my business, और जो भी है आपकी गोल में फाइनेंस एरिया में ना. You still don't think of how right now, yeah, because that comes in the next picture. Just think of what it is. Must be clearly time bound कि कौन सी डेट पे कब कितना. नाउ मूव टू योर करियर गोल्स, है ना? करियर में कहाँ देख रहे हो? अगर मैनेजर हो तो नेक्स्ट लेवल यू वांट टू रीच इन दिस 1 year आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. इफ यू नॉट वर्किंग, मे बी यू वांट टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग बाय देन एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग दिस मच, or maybe you want to look for some opportunity, so what it is, or maybe you want to make some money. So जो भी है करियर में, or maybe you want to try in some different company. So what is it in your career goal down the line 1 year? Now we will move to relationship goals. अब relationship में ना, I don't want you to write एकदम vague कि I want to improve my relationship with my mother-in-law, or I want to improve my relationship with my child, or I want to improve. ये पता नहीं चलता कि क्या improve, है ना? So I want you to clearly write कि maybe I want to have a trip with my mother-in-law, or maybe I want to have my dinner with my mother-in-law, or maybe I want to speak to my mother-in-law every single day. समझ रहे हो? इट हैज़ टू बी अगेन मेजरेबल, स्पेसिफिक एंड वेरी क्लियर कि अगर किसी के साथ आपका रिलेशनशिप आपको अच्छा करना है, अच्छा नहीं भी करना है, आप क्या देखते हो उस रिलेशनशिप के बारे में. इट हैज़ टू बी वेरी क्लियर एंड स्पेसिफिक एंड कि क्या चाहते हो. कि मे बी यू वॉन्ट टू हैव डिनर टुगेदर विथ योर हस्बैंड, एवरीबडी सिटिंग टुगेदर एंड हैविंग डिनर टुगेदर, और मे बी यू वॉन्ट टू स्पीक टू योर मदर एवरी सिंगल डे, है ना? क्या चाहते हो अपने रिलेशनशिप में, हैज़ टू बी वेरी वेरी स्पेसिफिक, क्लियर, टाइम बाउंड बाय एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर, नेक्स्ट ईयर. Great. Now we'll move to happiness and learning. So again, what will genuinely increase your happiness this year? Choose what nourishes you, not impress you. ऐसा कुछ नहीं सीखना है जो तुम्हें impress करने के लिए किसी को सीख रहे हो या खुद को impress करने के लिए, but something which is really makes you feel happy. कुछ भी हो सकता है यार, पेंटिंग, ड्राइंग. फॉर मी इट इज़, फॉर यू इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. मे बी you want to learn some dance form, maybe you want to learn some art form, maybe you want to maybe nursery plants gives you happiness. So something which gives you happiness, वो कुछ शुरू करना है हमें by end of this year, या ख़त्म करना है by end of this year. What is it? या तो you have a starting aim कि मुझे शुरू करना है by end of this year, or maybe you can have a finishing aim. या तो किसी पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट में कुछ करना है, कोई योगा सीखना है, म्यूजिक सीखना है, आर्ट सीखना है, सोलो ट्रिप पे जाना है. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. Now let's move to health goal. As I said, health is very important, but ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि you want to lose, straight away 20 kgs, you say, which is not possible, right? So you can just mention कि अगर आप 65 के हो, or maybe you want to reach 60 kgs. So instead of writing I want to lose 5 kgs, you can write I want to be 60 in December 2026. I want to, matlab, the final, what you want to see, it has to be measurable. Again, anybody can see and see, हाँ ये achieve हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, tick करना है नहीं करना है. So that you have to write in your health goal. Or maybe you want to, achieve some pose in yoga, or maybe you want to do something else. So what is your health goal right now? Most realistic improvement that you want this year in your health. Swimming हो सकता है कि swimming में you want to do more rounds, laps. Cycling हो सकता है, running हो सकता है, that you are walking right now, maybe you want to run 5 kilometers by end of this year, or 2 kilometers. Straight away बहुत नहीं बढ़ाना है. Something which is realistic and you can achieve, just write that. By how much and by when. So if it's running, you can run 5 kilometers by December 2026. If it's losing weight, I should be 60 kgs by December 2026. So something like that, which you can see and know कि हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, बिना सोचे. Now, before moving to how, ये कैसे होगा, first it's 6 areas. I want you to number your first 3 priority goals right now. Out of these 6 areas, what are your top 3 priority? Maybe career, relationship, health, क्या है? So 1, 2, 3, आप पहले नंबर डालो अपने इन गोल्स में, only top 3. Done? So now I want you to rate. जैसे कि if it's your health, हेल्थ एरिया में फ्रॉम 0 to 10, where are you right now in your health? If it is health, what is the marks you will give out of, like, rating you will give from 0 to 10 in your health? If it's your first priority, then second priority, फिर third priority, तीनों में आप अपने आप को rate करो from 1 to 10 के बीच में, where you are. Yeah, great. So now we will move to process. And how much are you ready to do to make these three priority goals 10 on 10? Are you ready? All both of you? Yeah? Ready to make it 10 on 10? Great. So now we will think of what action that we can take, which is called process goals. Process goals are more important than your end goal, because अगर आपका process goals, which is also called action goals, are in place, you automatically end up doing those things because it's your everyday practice now, है ना? जैसे कि आपका एंड गोल है कि 5 किलो कम करना है, सो नाउ वी विल सेट अ प्रोसेस गोल कि आप वो 5 किलो कम करने के लिए व्हाट एक्शंस विल यू टेक, है ना? जैसे कि मे बी यूल गो फॉर हाफ एन आवर ऑफ वॉक, मे बी यूल स्टार्ट योगा, और मे बी यूल स्टार्ट मतलब अवॉइडिंग शुगर, or maybe you will avoid junk food, early dinner. So these are some examples I am giving you. So these are called process goals that we have to put in mind. So if it's your first priority, agar health hai, to usme 3 action goals you write now, which you think you have to do to make it 10 on 10 right now. So these goals are in your control, you know. वाई दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज पता है, अगर सीधा आप रिजल्ट गोल देखते हो तो कई बार ये बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग लगता है, बट आप प्रोसेस गोल्स में इसको डिवाइड कर देते हो ना, तो ये डूएबल लगता है कि हाँ पॉसिबल है. एक कंसिस्टेंसी, इफ यू ब्रिंग इट इन स्मॉल एक्शंस, योर रिजल्ट गोल्स आर ऑटोमेटिकली हेल्प अस टू अचीव. सो फोकस ऑन योर प्रोसेस गोल राइट नाउ. सो वन एरिया डन, हेल्थ हो गया. विल मूव टू योर नेक्स्ट प्रायोरिटी गोल. अगेन 3 एक्शन प्लान्स आर यू राइट. Keep them really simple and doable, actionable. लेट्स मूव टू थर्ड. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल थर्ड में अगर मेरा है कि मैं एंड ऑफ द ईयर 2 लाख मेरे अकाउंट में जमा हो जाए, सो मेक इट इन स्मॉल वेज कि कितना मैं जमा करूँगी एवरी मंथ, मे बी 5,500 एवरी मंथ इफ आई विल डू, और ट्रैक माई एक्सपेंसेस, avoid these. So what are the 3 action plan you will take to achieve again in your third priority? Again do that. Now let's do some quality check. So जो भी आपने अपने process goals लिखे हैं, do you think that you can do them even when it's a bad day, maybe you're not in a mood, whatever it is, just check that, are you, yeah, and is it within in your control? मतलब वो सारे जो process goals आपने लिखे हैं, जो भी action goals लिखे हैं, are they in your control to take? Yeah, great. And can you repeat it consistently every single day? जैसे भी लिखा आपने, every single day or month, or जो भी you have written, Can you do it consistently? Yes. Then whatever actions you have taken is a right process actions that you have written. Now the fact, क्या है यहाँ पे, we don't fail. Result never fails. We fail to achieve our goals when we are not good at taking process action goals regular basis पे. So we only fail at processes. We don't fail at result. So when your process are strong, जैसे कि अगर morning evening brush करना ही करना है, so you will never have a problem in your teeth. These are your process goals, है ना? Straight away you cannot think कि old age में आपको teeth का problem नहीं आए. What is the process goal of your oral hygiene that you're doing it every single day to keep that oral hygiene maintained, right? About your health, same. You cannot be fit straight away when you're old. You can be fit when you're taking care of your health from now. Every single day you're doing your breathing exercises, you're going for a walk. So these are the process goals. So you don't have to fail at your process to achieve the goal that you set for yourself, है ना? So are you willing to be consistent with this, what you have written? Are you ready to pay the price? See, because जो भी आप करना चाहोगे ना, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ तो प्राइस लगेगा ना. If you want to achieve something, you have to be consistent, maybe at getting up in the morning, going to bed at night late, or maybe if it's your health goal, avoiding sugar for that matter, or not having. So कहीं ना कहीं you are ready to pay, you will be paying the price. Now you have to decide कि whether आपका जो प्राइस आप पे कर रहे हो, is it that worth it, or later on वो जो pain आएगा, you want to go through that, so you need to tell yourself always your why you're doing what you're doing. If your why is very strong, if you remember your goal, you will be able to be consistent with your process goals. So these are all your personal goals that you have written right now. So do you think you will be able to do it right now? This is what my question is. जो भी आपने process goals लिखे हैं, so write down every, उसके आगे आप लिख सकते हो कि हाँ ये मैं कर सकती हूँ, ये मैं कर सकती हूँ, ये मैं कर सकती हूँ. For example, you want to learn drawing and painting, है ना? For that maybe you need some assistance, maybe you need to join some classes. So with every action goal, you just write down whether you'll do it yourself or you will, have someone to guide you. You will have some classes to be attended, things like that. Just write it down so that you know the clear picture कि इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है, इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है. You are responsible. Maybe you have to take some action here, है ना? That ways. Just write down in there. So are you ready to take that goal? कुछ clarity मिली in your goals in every area. So here I am. In case any help you need in any of these areas, na, so I'm here to help you to take it ahead for your goals. But right now I want you to share something कि what clarity you got, what is your top area, where you are. वो मुझे बताओ कि scale क्या किया आपने आपके top priorities वाले में 1 to 10 में. निधु बताओ आप. हाँ निधु, नहीं हो रहा अनम्यूट. मैं करूँ आपको ask to unmute. Yeah. हाँ.
My 3 top goals are health, career, and finance.
Okay.
So, as you know, health-wise, I am having hormonal issues, and because of that, I am emotionally, mentally, physically,
कोई
I am.
बात नहीं, हम जहाँ पे भी
Uh,
हैं. You ready to
uh,
take the step forward?
yes,
Where
yes,
are you
yes.
right now? What is the scale अभी? 2
Number
रखा है.
2. And in career, 1, because from the last 3 years, I have not joined school. I was teaching in APS before that. And because of my health issues only, I lost that confidence to join again. But this year, I am preparing myself that I will join the school. And third is my
मुझे
finance.
बताओ, आपने जो भी एक्शन प्लान लिखा है, is it doable
Yes,
in
yes.
your hand, in your
Like,
control?
yes, health-wise, I'll do yoga, meditation, exercise. I'll avoid sugar, junk food, aerated drinks. I'll go for walk and running.
सी आपने जो लिखा है ना निधि, इट इज़ ऑल गुड, लेकिन थोड़ा सा वेग हो सकता है. वाई? बिकॉज सी अब जस्ट इमेजिन कि अगर कोई शादी अटेंड करनी है हमें, है ना, और हमारा हेल्थ गोल मेन है, पर पता है कि शादी में अवॉइड करना मुश्किल है, तो how you're gonna plan it, that also you need to figure out. So you cannot always avoid, but you can always have a plan. Be ready कि मुझे ये आपने जो भी लिखा है सारा मे बी पॉसिबल नहीं है. So maybe this year, maybe it's if you have put 2 in scale, you may not be able to reach 10 on 10.
10.
है ना. So maybe you can have 5 as a goal right now कि this area में at least I should be improving. So what I should do here. So maybe just be consistent with the exercise,
Yeah.
yoga,
Yes.
breathing. चाहे मैं क्लास
Breathing.
करूँ नहीं करूँ, at least half an hour का breathing I am doing it.
Yes.
So that was 3 action plans only I want for you to be consistent with. 10 मत लिखो आप, 10 probably you will not be able to do it. But अगर आपने 2 से 3 action plans लिखे, you will be able to follow it, है ना. Because I don't want you कि आपने जो लिखा है ना उससे आप drain feel करो. I want you to be empowered with your dreams. So make it in a way that you are able to take that action on. है ना, कि action ले पाओ आप. इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं करना है खुद के लिए, नहीं तो वो हमें इंस्टेड ऑफ मोटिवेटिंग हमें ड्रेन करता है ना. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आपने बड़े एंथु से योगा ज्वाइन किया बट नहीं कर पाए, तो ये आपको ना
हमने को
ट्रेन नहीं करना पड़ चाहिए. इट्स ओके, है ना. समटाइम्स दैट हैपेंस, बट प्लान बी शुड बी रेडी फॉर इट.
ready.
अंडरस्टूड. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. सो एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव इन एनी एरिया जो आपने लिखा, आपको लगता है होगा नहीं होगा, कंफ्यूजन है, सो मे बी आई विल बी एबल टू गाइड यू टू मेक इट इन अ प्रॉपर वे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वांटेड टू चेक. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है, पारुल, अगर आपको, नीतू को, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू, एनीवेयर? नो?
No.
Good. Hmm? So if you need any time, any assistance in this, because it's your personal goal, I'm ready to hold hand and help you achieve that topmost priority wala goal for you. Whatever it is. So topmost priority wala goal, if you need any assistance in that achieving, will be taking it ahead. ठीक है? ठीक है for now. So I want you to enjoy your Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thank
coming.
you.
Take care. Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye
Good
bye.
evening.
Bye.